In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a LibreOffice Calc file. If you keep budgets, client data, or any sensitive numbers in a spreadsheet, a password adds an extra layer of protection. This process encrypts your file so it can't be opened without the password, and it works the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. First, launch LibreOffice Calc. You can open it from your applications list, your start menu, or a desktop shortcut, whatever you use normally. If the Start Center appears, pick Calc to open a blank spreadsheet. Next, either open the spreadsheet you want to protect or start a new one. If you're creating something new, make sure you've saved your changes before you secure it, so nothing gets lost. Now, go to the File menu at the top of the window. Click File, and then choose Save As. This opens the Save dialog, where you choose the location and the name for your spreadsheet. Pick a folder you'll remember and confirm the file name. In the lower left corner of this dialog, there's a checkbox labeled Save with Password. Turn that on. This tells LibreOffice to apply encryption to the file you're about to save. With that box checked, click Save. LibreOffice immediately opens the Set Password window. Here, type your password in the field labeled Enter Password to open, and then type the same password again in the confirmation field directly below it. Choose a strong passphrase, something long, memorable to you, and hard for others to guess. Avoid using personal details or passwords you reuse elsewhere. Keep in mind, this is case-sensitive, and there's no built-in way to recover a forgotten password. If you lose it, the file can't be opened. Consider storing it in a reputable password manager or writing it down and keeping it somewhere secure. Depending on your version, you might see advanced options in this window, such as a separate password to allow modifications. If you don't need those, simply leave the defaults as they are. When you're satisfied with your password, click OK. LibreOffice encrypts and saves the spreadsheet with your settings. From now on, whenever the file is opened, Calc will prompt for the password before any data is visible. That's it. You've successfully protected your LibreOffice Calc file. Keep your password safe, and you'll have convenient access to your data while keeping everyone else out. Thanks for following along, and stay secure.